subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
Welcome to Amabenzo TV, Kipetwe Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Shwara Parks.
Kinako yaurabe Kinako yaurabe Kaufela Morena to set for Mare Matroda. Ibambe lapho. Stibo,
sure.
Amafezi wethu.
Sure, che.
Mfowethu komnandi ekhaya. Hey kwaze kwamnandi esigodini sanibonana naShurena.
Shokosi.
Injani impilo eCronon Cup.
Oh, sandawana.
Izongazi ukuthi sokuthiwa kana naye sandawana pusha kuCronon Cup. Uyahlanya lo mlungu lo.
Hey.
Hayi bo Cronon Cup ninjani bo.
Oh, lamthiba.
Yes. Shebile naShurena. Hey, happiness ikhona.
Azitha.
Mfowethu. Angibonge abalandeli beOrlando Pirates Football Club. Always benza iqiniso. To play number 12 irole yabo.
Sure.
Bayacula bashaya ingoma.
Yeah.
Those abalaka criticize, I want to motivate them.
Sure.
We as a supporters, our role is to support Orlando Pirates Football Club. And then our results, winning results is a bonus for us. Yes. Let's give our players uthando. Ayikho enye into uma uthi Pirates uyayithanda kumele ungapretend. Siyazi sikhona isikhathi sokukwata but kwathi uye ubuye ukhumbula ukuthi mayiba konje ngumsupport. And then we are volunteering until 6 feet underground. Thina every contract we as a supporters ayifani nama players and management. We have a lifetime contract. Abalandeli bakunderstand lo. Yeah. If you miss understand the support yakho. Kusho ukuthi somehow kumele usisheke. And then 2 abalandeli abayeke ukuhlushwa yigambling base bafuna ukustressa egrounding. If we are gamblers ugambulile don't come esigodini uzobukela iParis ukuthi uphethe ticket wena yathika ngoba lento ayizokwenzeka lento obusitshentisa kwenzeka bese umislead isupport sikubona sothuka wonke umuntu kanti uconfuse wayiticket lakho ubona libhalwe 1 million sewusitshela ukuthi wena le million solibambile.
Uyayibona
lento yiyo into ebaningi ngithazo ukuthi abalandeli aba-understand ukuthi bafowethu we are here for support, not to criticize players. No. Yingane zethu lezi kusasa kuzoba ingane yakho ezodlala ibhola uyothanda ukuthi yethukwe. No, asibene neqiniso bese ngibuye ngiwabongele wonke ama players ePirates to make sure ukuthi ahala imali nyatso from Sikukuni. Last season Sikukuni la esigodini sesimbarrassing sa lose kwiSikukuni for first game yeBetway, sa lose second game yeBetway, kodwa sabuya ku-MTN 8. Ingakho ke manje is a payback time kwiSikukuni. Sibuye ngo-1-0 ku-MTN 8 iBetway sathola 2-0 siyaya lapha silokuzana imani ke kungayifali uyivale ngizokhuluma neowner lakho. Ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo lezimele abantu bazijabulele. Today is a big day ka-Police. I-birthday ka-Police namhlanje. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Police. Happy birthday to you. Whip, whip, hooray. Whip, whip, hooray. Police, we love you, boy. We love you. Mfano wako. Mfano semncane. Bebamba 21 years.
Serious?
Yeah, Police bebamba 21 years. This is a future. And bese sibuya ke Tipos. Sibongele uTito Maswanganye. Tito boy, congratulations. You deserve ukuya overseas. Like ufollow abomfukeni, abonkothe. You deserve, boy. I know abantu abaningi ukusebenza kwe-Orlando Pirates management kuzobadida. Some other supporters, they are misleading. Kodwa the truth is yazi ukuthi mfana sithi sikufisela uhambuluhle. Once a pirate,
always a pirate.
Operation Tata.
Tango Chairman. Sibongile Chairman.